Now for this video, I have seen this multicolored chip cube by Chuck Hallebuck and I want to try it. So I have prepared a model like an template in which I will make it into two colored print in my Ender 3. I had done this to put near my 3D printer for others not to off the room light and the printer light. So let's export this into an STL file and open in Cura. Once it's open in Cura, we need to change some settings before we can slice it for printing. Please note that I am using chip profiles for this. Then I should change the printer bed temperature to 55 degrees Celsius. Then after that we need to go to extensions, to post processing, and then modify G-code. Here we need to add a script. We need to put post at height. Then after that we need to go again to look for the layer number. We need to slice this for us to see which layer we need to cut off the two colors. So I decided to stop at layer number 10, and then we need to go under the post at height again and put the 10 there. And all the necessary settings is listed on this video. And then after that we just need to check some of the settings again before we can save this file and put it in a 3D printer. We can now save this file so we can print it in the 3D printer, and let's roll the time lapse. In this time lapse you will see that it will pause for a little while because you will need to change the filament once it's poses at the height that you indicated. And here is our finished product, and I'm quite satisfied with the result. Because of that, I have printed another one to label my name in my water bottle, now with black and green colors. This method of printing is quite useful, especially when you want to customize all the labels in your house, or you just want to name anything, especially like tags for keys and other stuffs. So that's it for me for this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you guys in the next video. As always, keep creating. Cheers!